Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 126. Day 126, we are in the process of learning how to solve word problems from day 101 through 200. We are 1/4 of the way through already because we have finished the first 25 question. Here's the day number 26, 126 that is, day 26 of the word problem. Here's the question for today. What value of x will make 3x equal to 4,296? Very simple, very straightforward question. Question simply is, what value of x will make 3x equal to 4,296? The equation, of course, that we have to set up is very simple, which is right here. The equation is right here. 3x equals 4,296. The question is this number even divisible by 3? Is this number divisible evenly by 3 or not before we do any work? Or are we going to have to deal with fractions and remainders and so forth? How do we find out if this number is divisible by 3 or not? Well, if you recall, we have done it many times. Here's the rule. If the sum of the digits of a given number, whatever number that is given to us, we add up the digits of that number. If the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then we know that the number itself that's the rule. If the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. For example, I know that 18 divides evenly into 3 because 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. I also know that 183 is divisible by 3 because 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Or we didn't even have to go such a long route. We know that 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so these two digits play no role. And of course we know 3 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. What about 1,800, rather, whatever it works out to be? What about this number? 18,324. Is 18,324 divisible by 3? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the sum of the digits. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so these two digits play no role. 3 plays no role because 3 is divisible by 3. All we are left with is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. 18,324 is divisible nicely by 3. What about this number? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. So they are all divisible by 3. The sum of the... We could actually... The rule, strictly speaking, what we are supposed to do is add up all the digits before we figure out something. But I'm being lazy, I'm taking shortcuts here. If the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. For example, here, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. And we know that 21 divides evenly into 3. Therefore, 4,296 is divisible by 3. What I was doing was this. 4,296, but 4 plus 2 is 6, that's divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, and 6 is divisible by 3, so the whole number is divisible by 3. Let's divide it, shall we? That's what we have to find out here. The question simply is, what value of x will make 3 times x equal to this quantity? divide both sides by 3 to get by x by itself. Now we have to divide this number by 3. 4,296 divided by 3. Let's do it here together, you and I. Do not reach for the calculator. That's not the bloody point here. If that was the point, then there will be no point for giving you this question, because I'm not trying to see how fast you can use the calculator. Do you understand? So how many 3's in a 4? 4 has 1 3. The remaining one goes here and becomes 12. How many 3's in 12? 12 has 4 3's. How many 3's in a 9? 9 has 3 3's. How many 3's in a 6? 6 has 2 3's. There you go, that's your answer. 1,432 is the answer. Now to verify it, we could actually quickly multiply it by 3 and see if we do indeed get 4,296 back. Let's find out. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4, voila. 4,296 is exactly what we started out with, and that's what we get at the end. Let's do one more, shall we? Let's do one more. I'm done with this one. Let's do one more. What value of x, or let's change the variable. What value of y will make 7y equal to 71,463? What value of y will make 7y equal to 71,463? Well, let's find out. 7y's have to equal 71,463 to get the y by itself. To get the y by itself, divide both sides of the equation by 7. So this 7 drops out. We are left with y by itself. Let's divide. Let's divide 71,463. Leave the calculator alone. Leave the bloody thing alone. As I've said before many times, save the batteries for the rainy day. Let's divide. How many 7's in a 7? 7 has only one 7. How many 7's in a 1? How many 7's in a 1? 1 doesn't have any 7, it's too small. It has 0 7's. That one goes and joins this guy, becomes 14. How many 7's in a 14? 14 has 2 7's. How many 7's in a 6? 6 doesn't have any 7, it's too smaller than 7. It has no 7's, it's 0 7's. This 6 goes and joins this guy, becomes 63. How many 7's in a 63? There are 9 of them, because I know that there are 10 7's in a 70, and if you take away 1 7 from 70, we get 63. So there are 9 of them. Voila. Let's quickly verify to make sure that we do in fact have the right answer. 10,209 times 7 better give us what we started out with. 7 times 9 is 63 right here. 7 times 2 is 14, that is right here. 7 times 2 is 14 because of the fact that this is 0. And 7 times 1 is 7. Wow. 71,463, we get it back. I don't know if I have time for one more or not. Let me take a look at the clock in the back, and then I'll make the decision whether or not I want to go for one more. Okay? Just give me 1 second. Now, the next one that I have is a bit complicated and involves on algebraic expressions, which of course you will see on tomorrow's video. On day number 127 you will see it, but I'm going to wrap it up for today. I'm not going to start that one today. So I'll see you tomorrow on day number 127. Alright? Bye now.